Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to not get banned on your custom firmware PlayStation 3. So if you guys are like me and you have a custom firmware PS3, so this could be REBUG, FERROX, pretty much any custom firmware, and you want to go ahead and play some games online, I would recommend installing these two applications so you don't get banned. So I will be showing you guys how to get these right now. So what you guys want to do is get your PlayStation 3's USB, make sure you take it out if it's in there, go and connect it to your computer, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay guys, so the download links will be in the description of this video. The first application we need to get is Send Enabler. Now it says a ban is not guaranteed, use with caution. Basically what this program does is spoofs the firmware version, and basically you have PlayStation Network and SEN access. So yeah, all you guys want to do to get this is just click on the download button right here. This works on all versions, CEX and DEX. So once we have got this, we need to get another application as well. This is PSN patch. So it says the major objective is to spoof the console ID and disable the SOS calls extensions in order to make your system more safe to go onto PlayStation Network when you have custom firmware. It also deletes the boot history execution. So yeah, this is not 100% safe as well, but it's 100 times better than nothing. So what you guys want to do, scroll down and also click the download link right here. And once we have got these two files, we want to go to our downloads folder and just find both of them. So it's very simple. We can simply just drag and drop these and put them on our USB. So once they copy across, we need to put our USB back into our PS3, and I will be showing you guys how to install them and how to set them up. Okay, so once we're back on our PlayStation, let's scroll over to the game section, scroll down, and we need to go to the package manager. From here we need to go to install package files, go to standard, and we are looking for Send Enabler. So this is this one right here. We're just going to press X and install this one first. And then once this is installed, it should just take a second. We need to go into package manager again, install package files, standard, and we need to find the second one, which is PSN patch. So press X on this, and then this will also start installing. And now we can press circle to go back, and now we can find both of the applications on our home screen. So first of all, we have to go down to Send Enabler. It might be called GT Academy 2013. Just press X to go ahead and launch this up. Now we just need to press X on this screen. But basically what we want to do from this screen, we want to go to Send/PlayStation Network options and press X to go on this. You should see an option which says enable SEN access. All you have to do is just press X on this, and then says do you want to enable the SEN access, press X for yes, and now you just have to wait. So this shouldn't really take too long, just give it about 2 minutes. And then once it is done, what it's going to say is it has been enabled successfully. Do you want to reboot your PlayStation? I would recommend rebooting, so just press X for yes, and your PS3 is going to reboot. And basically what it's going to do is spoof it to the legit PlayStation 4.84 firmware. So every time you go online, it doesn't think it's using custom firmware, it thinks you're using the official Sony firmware. But we actually have to do one more thing. This is just like a precaution, just so we definitely don't get banned. Go onto the game section again, scroll down, and we have to go on PSN patch. Now what you have to do, this program's a bit different, keep on holding X. So press X and now just keep on holding it until you hear the beep sound. There's the beep sound. As soon as you hear that, let go of the X button and just wait, and your PlayStation will now reboot. And yeah, this will make sure you definitely don't get banned. Well, it's not 100% guaranteed. They have to say that, just in case someone does get banned, so they're not in trouble. But for me, I've been using this for quite a while now. I've been using these two apps since 2016. There was an older version called PSN Ninja, but that's kind of irrelevant now. So these two apps are pretty good. And what I can do now is go ahead and sign in, and I can pretty much play online multiplayer games and I won't get banned. This also works with mod menus. If you want to mod online games, use these two programs and you won't get banned as well. So there you go, signed into my account. I'm now online, and as you can see, I didn't get banned or anything, and I've got full access to the PlayStation Network, and I can load up games and stuff like that. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.